cool because it's a T-top, right? Well, the problem with the T-top and cool is that there's no way to get all this stuff. So this car came in and it didn't have any rust showing, right? So what we got here is, this is called cancer. Okay, this is not rust, this is called cancer. What you got is, you can see this white strip of metal. This actually is the retainer lip for the molding, for the rubber molding that goes through there, the weather stripping. And what happens is, you see how that's almost rotted completely through? See how it just kind of crumbles apart?
Oh yeah.
So instead of going straight to the paint booth with this car, and if you look, well, before I say that, you can see over here, that whole corner of the car is, oh, I just stuck, that'd be metal down in there? Oh, I just stuck my finger all the way through the car.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, so instead of going straight to the paint booth, like we were hoping, this car is gonna get some extensive metal work. We can actually buy this T-top set of sheet metal here, which would be a lifesaver for us, because some of this is pretty intricate. But if we can't, I saw the T piece, so it may just be the T piece. We may not be able to get the metal pieces, but
So just replace the whole T piece.
Yeah, see, we got it back here. Well, we'd buy the whole kit because they sell it as a kit, but we could take the pieces we needed. But see, we can make this. We can make this piece right here. We got some cool stuff. We got the bead rollers over there that Mittler Brothers helped us get, and so this would be a cool deal to make. But if we can buy it already made, we'll make it, and then we'll have the new piece to go by the pattern by.
Okay.
So, and then you guys can learn how to make it. So.